This is a high limb chainsaw, which is basically a rope, a saw blade that's a two-way saw blade, and that little piece of metal to keep it on the sawing side. That's the one that's stuck, but I got this other one. I'm going to go for that loom up there, and it'll gently sit on the roof of the trailer, hopefully. Hopefully this won't just crash down and put a hole in the roof. It'll just gently sit on the roof. But you go back and forth with the string until you cut the line. Limb. I cut all these other ones with one. You can see all the way up the tree. There we go. Yeah. Not hard enough to break the roof.
Slowed down and came down.
I'll have to get up there, cut up in little chunks and kind of swing that out until the bark breaks. Awesome. That's kind of scary. Wait, I was waiting for the pogo stick at me. It pogo stick, but it came up a good, I don't know, 10 feet short, so I'm alive. Well, I got all limbs cut on this side. Might see if I can loop that chainsaw blade around up top and cut top out of it. I don't know, but ooh, I'll take a break for a while. Yeah, it's a lot of work.